How to do best cucumber face mask easy at home for glowing skin. The best skincare routine for skin whitening. Easy homemade cucumber face mask recipes to nourish skin, having the most widely used vegetable in salads. Cucumber is also a favorite extract when it comes to formulating cosmetic products. It is herbal and non-irritating and often used as a remedy for puffy eyes. It is widely used as an ingredient in creams, gels, and face packs. This cucumber face pack will rejuvenate your skin and make it glow. Nothing is better than including the super exfoliating antioxidant-rich brown sugar in your skincare routine. Your daily skincare routine is incomplete without scrubbing. Cleansing, toning, and moisturizing is essential, but scrubbing gives new life to your skin. This promotes cell regeneration and rejuvenation. It keeps your skin hydrated and moisturizes. It gently exfoliates your skin without damaging it. Again, you need to take 2 teaspoons of grated cucumber. This cucumber face mask will rejuvenate your skin and make it glow. Oatmeal possesses wonderful skincare properties as it cleanses, nourishes, and also heals the skin. This pack is suitable for tanning and skin brightening. Suits all skin types. The purest form of bee's honey is nature's best moisturizer, and we all know that to keep wrinkles at bay, our skin needs to be properly moisturized at all times. Honey also contains antioxidants that repair the damage caused by free radicals and rejuvenate the skin. This cucumber face pack is ideal for dry skin and oily skin both. This face mask will give you radiant and glowing skin and also slow down the aging process. It tightens the skin and works as an anti-aging mask. If you have sensitive skin, this cucumber face pack will soothe your skin and rejuvenate it. Use this up to twice a week, and you will surely notice your skin becoming clearer, softer, and glowing. At last you can prepare a toner with any of the 2 ingredients. I have used cucumber. Toners are most helpful and necessary for people with oily or acne-prone skin, or for people who want extra cleansing after wearing makeup or other heavy skin products such as sunscreen, she said. That's not all toner can do. Lemon is a natural source of vitamin C, an ingredient commonly used to lighten sun and age spots and even out skin tone, a natural astringent that tightens pores and brightens the complexion. The cleansing properties makes it an ideal beauty product. Lemon juice home remedies to get fair and flawless skin. Lemon juice combined with cucumber is the best way to get rid of dark spots, skin discoloration and stretch marks. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.